morning, y'all. I'm Dan, a senior high school student at the Saya de Cagayan University. For me, every day is different. I don't really have a fixed routine or schedule, especially after the fire incident that happened about 4 weeks ago. My family is still rebuilding our home, but as they say, life must go on. So today, I'll be taking you along as I go through my day. It may seem simple or even a little boring, but this is what an ordinary day in my life looks like. I'm starting my day by folding my blanket, and later I'll help in the house. Growing up, my family taught me that everyone should help with household chores. It's one of the Filipino values of responsibility and cooperation. Today's breakfast is rice, hot dog, and soup. In Filipino families, meals are more than just food. They are time together, share stories, and enjoy each other's company.
A few moments later.
Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal.
Since I still had some free time before my online class started at 10:30 in the morning, I spent a few minutes reading the Bible. Today I am reading from the book of Second Kings. My faith is an important part of my daily life. It gives me hope, strength, and guidance, especially during difficult times. One social issue we always experience whenever it rains is flooding in our area. Because many families, including ours, are still rebuilding after the fire, it has been difficult to focus on preventing floods or cleaning the surroundings. This reminds me that community challenges require cooperation between residents and our local government. So it's 10:30 now and it's time for our online class. This is my second to the youngest sister. She's in grade 2, and she asked me to help with her assignments. Even though I had my own schoolwork, I gladly made time for her. Helping one another is a simple way we show love and support within the family. Here is also a little update on the ongoing construction. Shout out to my Kuya Kiki, the Panday and his helper. I'm truly thankful to the Lord for sending people who are willing to help us rebuild our home. Their kindness reminds me of the Filipino spirit of bayanihan, helping one another during difficult times. During dinner, I spent time talking with my relatives, as well as the Panday and his helper, sharing meals as one of the ways Filipinos strengthen relationships and express gratitude for one another. Looking back on my day, I realized that culture, society, and politics are reflected in the little things I do every day. Helping my family, spending time with relatives, practicing my faith, respecting others, and being aware of the issues in my community also what it means to be Filipino. Even though life hasn't been easy since the fire, every challenge has reminded me to stay hopeful, work hard, and appreciate the people who continue to help us. At the end of every day, the sun sets. Problems may fill my mind with worry and negativity, but I also know that after every sunset comes a new sunrise and another chance to begin again. Thank you so much for joining me today. Good night, y'all. God bless. Sleep tight and don't forget to say your prayers.
Hi. Uh, dear,